Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates and exciting news from the tech world. Today, giving us some exclusive information about the highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro. Get ready to dive into the world of cutting-edge technology and discover the unique features of this flagship device. According to a reliable source, the iPhone 15 Pro is expected to come in a stunning new color, blue. This dark blue shade with a gray tone is a departure from the previous stainless steel models and complements the new titanium material used for the iPhone 15. The brush finish gives it an elegant and sophisticated look. The blue color has been spotted on prototype devices, indicating that it could be a final color option for the next generation iPhone. However, there is a possibility that Apple might use it for testing purposes and choose a different color for the launch version 1. Nonetheless, the blue variant has caught the attention of many Apple enthusiasts. The iPhone 15 Pro will not only impress with its stylish appearance but also with its enhanced design and features. The device will feature slimmer bezels, providing a more immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the mute switch will be replaced by a multifunction mute button, and the volume and power buttons might be repositioned slightly. In terms of performance, the iPhone 15 Pro is rumored to come equipped with a powerful A17 Bionic chip built on a 3nm process. This will ensure faster processing speeds and improved efficiency, making it a powerhouse in the smartphone market. Photography enthusiasts will be delighted to know that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have an updated camera layout to accommodate a periscope lens, offering improved zoom capabilities. This lens will be exclusive to the Pro Max model, taking smartphone photography to new heights. The introduction of the USB-C port replacing the Lightning port will bring convenience to iPhone users, allowing for faster data transfer and charging. It's worth mentioning that the regular iPhone 15 models will also undergo exciting changes and will be available in bright pink, blue, and green shades. As the launch date approaches, the anticipation for the iPhone 15 Pro is reaching its peak. With the combination of the stunning blue color, sleek design, and powerful features, this device is set to make a statement in the smartphone industry. That's all for today's video on the iPhone 15 Pro. We hope you enjoyed the exclusive insights and updates we provided. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.